What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Nvidia stock. Guys, is this game over for Nvidia? Oh wow, look at this thing. Closed at $858.90. We did the unthinkable today. A massive flush, and not just Nvidia, we did see a huge market sell-off by the pretty much the last hour. You can see QQQ SPY, I'll talk about that as well, and I'll be doing complete another video on the QQQ and SPY as well, because this is a beginning of, on the bigger market, a huge collapse. Now, we'll talk about a little bit of QQ and SPY as well in this video, but look at the Nvidia, guys. Oh wow, the way we have been predicting it, it's just working out just like that. And let's talk about all the price action on this. Let's see what tomorrow can happen. The initial video that I did yesterday on Nvidia, where I talked about can Nvidia hit $850 by Friday. We are almost there, guys. We are at 858, just $8 away, and Nvidia is doing average range of $32 here. You can see down here where I have circled it. Today we did a range of just shy of $50, $47.54. Wow, this is how much Nvidia moved. If tomorrow it moves, let's just ballpark it at, let's say, an average $35. We would be testing this bottom 825. Wow. This is a huge red candle in a follow through of this already existing downtrend that we were in. So let's talk about all this stuff, guys. Once I let you know, none of this is any financial advice. It's only for education purposes. I take guarantee of nothing. I'm only sharing my opinion. You are solely responsible for your own decisions and outcomes in the market. Also, please hit the like and subscribe if you find my videos valuable and helpful. All right, guys. So let's talk about Nvidia. Today we have a lot to talk about. We had this bearish engulfing candle over here, and I talked about it that these big cap stocks don't just flatten out. There will be a retest of it. We got that retest, and we took a lot of intraday long plays as well here if you have been following my videos. Then the retest, when we had a break of structure, and let me actually go to the hourly interval, and we had a break of structure at this $947 level, and I talked about it that get prepared for intraday shorts coming from here. This trend line, we broke that trend line. We targeted 200 then as well. We got that, and then we have been rejecting this 200 hours moving average since then. Nvidia has been chopping around quite a lot between $891 and $906, but we talked that once we, after losing this from last 2 days, this level 891, be prepared for a massive flush. We got that flush, guys. Look at it. We even lost the $877, the next level of support. We came down to 863, where our next significant level was. We are even losing that. We are 857 right now. Nvidia is just a bloodbath right now. Money is flowing out of Nvidia. We are like, this is like bulls, like it's bears are in full, have been in full control for over last couple of days. As we have been talking about, bears are ahead of bulls have no chance now. Like, this is the last battle that could happen in this mark of the distribution phase, and this battle can happen between the range of 825 to 850 if it has to happen. Okay, but the way things are, bulls have maybe very little chance to make anything happen in their favor. They just can't. At this point, gravity is in the favor of bears, guys. So massive volume flush, break of critical levels. I won't be surprised if tomorrow we test 50 days moving average. It's quite far-fetched still. 50 days moving average is at 793. That means I'm saying Nvidia is gonna fall $50 more down to tomorrow. That's going to be just pretty much the range that we got today. But wow, this is quite a lot. So let's talk about technicals here. Well, we lost 20 days moving average. We retested this multiple times over the last couple of days, but every time we kept rejecting it. And I have said that it's not uncommon for stocks, once they break it, that they will retest it. And today's was the final retest, and we flushed. We flushed, broke all of our significant levels. Yup. We are fully in the downtrend. Here we go. Lower highs, lower lows on the swing side at least. I definitely want, and well, once we lose this distribution phase with a good red candle close, this thing will continue lower as what we have been talking about. Let's go to the hourly interval. And let's talk about a couple of things here. So guys, there's just that the levels are losing left and right, up and down. Yeah, like Nvidia, junior trader, can this be bullish? Well, guys, forget being bullish tomorrow. Like if Nvidia wants to become bullish tomorrow, it has to regain the level of 890 again. And I don't expect that to happen. It's just a massive flush supply zone, massive supply zone. People are running. It's a bank run. It's an Nvidia run. You know, money is being taken out of this thing because that's how big hedge funds trade. Once the distribution phase has formed, break of these critical structures, rejection under 200 hours moving average, rejection under 220 days moving average, losing the structural support again of 891. This is going to just pile in the momentum of anyone else who is holding their position. They're going to start getting out. Margins call are going to start hitting people who have been trading on the margins on that. They're like, no, investors, it's going to keep going to $1,200, $8,000. That's what analysts have been saying, right? Oh, it's like $1,400 is going to go to, because they're pumping it up to make you buy so that they can sell. Like, because they set the sentiment, oh, it's cheaper than ever before, buy from us, buy from the hedge funds. And that's where this whole sell-off is happening. That's why I trade with the technicals, and I love trading with technicals. And yeah, so tomorrow, Nvidia right now, if any rebounds, even if it comes to 876, that's still just a rejection possible to the downside. 876, I don't see any sign of rebounds right now, but if that comes, that will be above 863, break above that, maybe the confirmation, and then 876 may come, but that will be just a point of short again. This is in the downtrend. Why would I even, but it's the rebound may come, but it's just going to be a feeble rebound, and it's just going to continue lower and lower. Yeah, guys, now let's see tomorrow if we are going to test 824 or what. Like, look at it. Nvidia is now 856 in the post market. Are you kidding me? Like, this thing has no air brakes right now. This is in a free fall. It's game over, guys. Well, anyways, we have been trading with technicals. You know, things are working out just as the favor. Again, Nvidia is a great company. I'm not, all great. I have been talking about long plays when the long plays were there, right? So, and long plays were there. We have been talking about all these long plays, and when short plays were developing, we were talking about all these short plays. You can see these trend lines as well back from then. These short plays I talked about recently. So trade unbiased, trade with the data, trade with the technicals, and yeah, that's all what we have been doing. So guys, that's Nvidia for the day. Let's take a look at the market, QQ and SPY, because, and I will do another video on AMD as well. Before going to QQ and SPY, I want to show you AMD. Look at this nose dive AMD did today. Another video will be coming out on this as well today. So subscribe and hit the like if you haven't done so. QQQ, mark the distribution phase. This is what I have been saying. This is the distribution phase. This is the distribution phase. Look at this volume. This is the beginning of a big collapse. Okay, look at this candle. This red candle took out the whole month. Kaboom! Over. It's over. I'll do another video on QQ and SPY today. But just to show you, look at the SPY. Took out everything. Lost 20 days moving average. Over. This is, wow, look at this thing. That's what I have been saying, that all these big hedge funds have been pushing the market in the pre-market up, but they will sell off when the market would open. They will sell off when the market would open because they're selling it to the regular investors, because it doesn't take, so they push up the price with little volume in the pre-market, and when the regular market open, huge volume comes in, so they can sell at the higher prices, but they're all getting out. It's the market run happening, guys. It's a market run happening. Anyways, that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe, and with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Guys, a lot more videos are going to come out today, so I'll see you there. All right, bye.